just named her Stacy, and now she's famous. She's the famous Stacy.
Hi fashionistas, don't panic, I'm going to show you this 3 times. The first thing I want you to do is make sure that your hand wheel is all the way to the upright position before you get started. And then I'm going to take you through a slow motion explanation of what we do to thread our automatic threader. First, you are going to take your thread with the left hand above the right hand and guide with your right hand the thread through the top loop of your machine, and then you're going to pull it and simultaneously push down with your left index finger and hook under the kiwi bird's neck and bring it horizontal. Release the dragon by pushing down, and the dragon's tongue will grab your thread and suck it in. And then you'll push with your right index finger and pull with your left thumb and index finger until the loop is released and you are now threaded. We're going to do this one more time for good measure. Feel free to watch this video as many times as it takes to learn how to do this technique. Once you get your muscle memory down, it'll be like nothing. Please subscribe if you'd like notifications for my videos, and please give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much.